The 2027 Honda HR-V is arriving with changes big enough to make buying the current model one of the costliest mistakes you can make this year. If you're shopping for a small SUV right now and the HR-V is on your shortlist, what Honda has planned for the next model year is going to make you seriously reconsider signing anything. Most small SUVs in this price range force you to choose between efficiency and performance, but the 2027 HR-V is bringing a hybrid system that delivers nearly 50 miles per gallon, while also being quicker than the model sitting on dealer lots today. We have found 5 reasons why waiting for the 2027 Honda HR-V is the smarter play, so let's get into it. Number 5. A hybrid powertrain is finally coming. Throughout its entire history, the HR-V has relied on a single, naturally aspirated 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine. At 158 horsepower and 138 pound-feet of torque, it manages around town without complaint. But once you need to merge onto a busy interstate or make a pass on a 2-lane road with traffic closing in, the engine has nothing left to give. 0 to 60 takes around 10 seconds, a number that belongs to a different era. Turbocharged rivals like the Mazda CX-30 pull away from it without effort. That is about to change. The 2027 HR-V is arriving with a proper hybrid powertrain, the same electrified system that powers the Civic EHEV, and it is a serious upgrade in every measurable way. The setup pairs a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with 2 electric motors, bringing combined output to 200 horsepower and 232 pound-feet of torque. The sprint to 62 miles per hour takes around 7.5 seconds, a figure that puts it squarely alongside rivals with conventional turbocharged engines. Think about what that means on your daily commute. Nobody wants to feel like they are holding up traffic every time they need to accelerate. With this hybrid system delivering its torque almost instantly from a standstill, those hesitant gap-closing moments disappear. But where this powertrain truly separates itself is at the fuel pump. Around 48 miles per gallon combined, compared to the current model's 27 to 28 means a tank of gas stretches dramatically further. Over a year of average driving, that difference adds up to hundreds of dollars back in your pocket. And since the Civic Hybrid has already proven this system to be smooth, refined, and dependable, you are not betting on unproven technology. You are getting something already well sorted. A powertrain like that deserves a vehicle that looks the part. And as it turns out, the 2027 HR-V is taking care of that too. Number 4. A sharper, more purposeful exterior. The HR-V has always had a clean, inoffensive look. It has featured a design that played it safe rather than turned heads. The latest iteration sharpens that formula in ways that matter. Up front, the HR-V carries a bolder presence with narrow LED headlights and a more defined grille structure that give the SUV a composed, confident stance on the road. Moving along the sides, tighter, more sculpted body panels make the overall profile feel more intentional, while the wheel arches gain better definition throughout. New wheel designs complete the update, including 18-inch rims on the EXL trim that fill the arches nicely and add visual substance. Boost Blue Pearl joins the color palette as a genuinely energetic new option, and the Sport trim picks up gloss black tailgate badging that subtly elevates its street presence without overdoing it. This is not a full redesign. It was never meant to be, but these are the kind of refinements that make you appreciate the vehicle more each time you look at it. For a car you're going to see in your driveway every single morning, that matters more than most people admit when shopping. But a great exterior only gets you so far. What Honda has done on the inside is where the real story starts to build. Number 3. An interior that gets the balance right. Pull open the door and what greets you is a cabin that has clearly been thought through. The dashboard design draws inspiration from the Civic. Clean lines, sensible material placement, and a layout that puts everything within easy reach. The quality of materials throughout is consistent and reassuring. Soft touch surfaces appear where your hands actually land, and the controls feel solid rather than hollow. Here is where the HR-V earns real respect though. Anyone who has spent long hours behind the wheel of a cramped small crossover knows how quickly a tight cabin turns a simple errand into an ordeal. The HR-V avoids that trap entirely. The front row is airy and comfortable with a wide range of seat adjustments. The rear bench offers genuine legroom for adults. Not just enough space to technically fit, but enough to actually sit comfortably on longer trips. And the cargo area backs all of this up with 24.4 cubic feet behind the rear seats. The seatbacks folding nearly flat to open up serious hauling room. In independent testing, 22 carry-on suitcases fit in the cargo area with the rear seats folded. That is a number that puts many larger crossovers to shame. No gimmicks, no drama, just a cabin that works for you every single day. But a well-built interior without the right technology behind it is only half the picture. And that brings us to something Honda has handled particularly well. Number 2. Tech and safety that covers the essentials. The technology package in the 2027 HR-V is going to be well-equipped right from the base trim. Every HR-V is arriving with a 9-inch infotainment touchscreen as standard equipment, paired with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. No cables, no plugging in, no fumbling before you back out of the driveway. A wireless charging pad handles your phone's battery automatically. 3 USB charge ports sit up front, and the interface mirrors the Civic's clean, responsive setup. Menus are logical and quick to navigate. We all know the frustration of buying a new car only to discover that the safety features you actually wanted are locked behind a more expensive trim. With the HR-V, Honda sensing comes standard across the entire lineup. Automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning with active lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control are included regardless of which trim you choose. The blind spot monitoring system and rear cross traffic alert round out a safety net that earns the HR-V a full 5-star overall rating from the NHTSA. For drivers who spend time navigating busy urban traffic or crowded parking lots, that complete awareness package is worth far more than its sticker price equivalent. All of this is impressive, but none of it means much if the asking price puts it out of reach. Here is the part that might surprise you most. Number 1. The price is going to stay reasonable. Car prices have been climbing steadily, and patience at the dealership has started to feel like a losing strategy. But Honda is keeping the HR-V grounded. The 2026 model currently starts at around $26,200 for the base LX trim, with the range-topping EXL landing near $31,550. Year-over-year updates carry modest increases, and the 2027 will follow the same pattern. But those increases are expected to remain incremental, not dramatic. The Sport trim is where the real value sits. It adds heated front seats, keyless entry, a 6-speaker audio system, and remote start while staying comfortably below $30,000. All-wheel drive is available across all trims for $1,500 extra, a predictable, transparent figure that many competitors bury in packaging fees. When prices stay flat but the product keeps improving, that is the window most buyers wish they had acted on sooner. The 2027 HR-V is arriving with a proven hybrid system, sharper styling, and more standard technology, for roughly the same money as the model sitting on the lot today. That combination does not show up in this segment very often, and it is absolutely worth waiting for. The 2027 Honda HR-V is shaping up to be everything the current model should have been. A hybrid powertrain that nearly doubles fuel efficiency, a sharper exterior that finally matches the quality underneath, a cabin that makes smart use of every inch, technology that comes standard instead of being locked behind expensive trims, and a price tag that stays within reach. That is a package that is genuinely hard to argue against. The current HR-V is not a bad vehicle, but buying it right now means paying today's price for yesterday's technology, when something significantly better is right around the corner. If your current car is still running and the wait is manageable, holding out for the 2027 model is one of the clearest calls in the compact SUV segment right now. All in all, we could all agree that the HR-V imposes itself as one of the most natural options in the segment, but the competition seems tougher than ever. If you don't necessarily need the latest hybrid tech, but rather want more focus on driving experience, then you definitely want to check out our video about the 2027 Mazda CX-30. Class-leading handling, capable powertrain options, and timeless elegance are just some of the reasons why this subcompact crossover stands out.